Sir,
Good evening, Kashif. So, Kashif, I want you to practice what I highlight, what I explain in the class. I think you're sick or what? You're in bed?
no, sir, night duty.
Oh, I see, I see. All right. So, नाइट ड्यूटी आई अंडरस्टूड बट एक सेंटेंस में बोल सकते थे राइट जैसे क्या बोल सकते थे आई हैड नाइट
I
ड्यूटी
had night duty.
यस हेलो निशात बेटा so Nishat tell me about your interests. What are your interests, Nishat? What are the things you like? Yes, Nishat.
Yes.
What are the things you like in your free time?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Kekasha beta.
Sir, I have no free time. Sometime free time.
But what hobbies do you have? What are your interests? What things
Good evening,
do you
sir.
like doing when you are free? When you have nothing to do?
Arts, drawing.
Drawing beta. Drawing की जगह क्या बोलेंगे? Drawing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
आप ड्राइंग
Good
क्यों
evening,
बोलते हो?
sir.
आप ड्राइंग क्यों बोलते हो पता है? क्योंकि आपके टीचर्स आपके सामने क्या बोलते थे? ड्राइंग. तो आपने ड्राइंग सीख लिया, ओके? लेकिन क्या बोलना होता है? ड्राइंग.
Drawing.
Okay. So Nishat, do you have a collection of your drawings?
Yes.
Would you like to share with us in the group a few photos of your drawings?
Okay, sir.
Lovely. And Kekasha,
Yes, sir.
when you are free, when you have nothing to do, when you are free, then what do you do? What do you like doing?
Good evening, sir.
Hello, Apurva.
Hello, sir.
Good
How are
evening,
you?
Kashif. I'm very well, Apurva. Kashif is back after such a long break. Okay,
You are
Kekasha.
looking good.
Okay, thank you. So, Kekasha beta, my question is,
Yes,
what?
sir. Sorry.
Hello, Kashif. So, Kekasha, what do you like doing in your
I
free
have
time?
lot of work.
So much work that you didn't have time to attend the class. That's not real. That's not true.
Okay, sir. Sorry.
Come on. People just ignore their lessons. That's why they go absent for such a long time. Hey, Abhishek.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. So it is a hostel room, Abhishek?
No, sir.
That's what I thought. This looks so beautiful.
My home, sir.
It's your home. In Jamui.
No, sir. In Hilsa,
In Hills. Okay.
30
Alright.
kilometers from Bihar.
Nice house. Is your papa happy man?
Good evening,
Yes,
sir.
I can see. Hello, Sanyogita ma'am.
Yesterday I disconnected, sir. I don't know why.
I disconnected. मतलब मैंने disconnect किया. Okay? I disconnected. मैंने disconnect किया. I ate. मैंने eat किया. Okay? I spoke. मैंने speak किया. तो आपने तो disconnect नहीं किया. तो I disconnected is not good.
I was disconnected.
Perfect. Very good.
Disconnected.
Hmm.
I don't know why. Network is good, but why?
Yes. And we have decided that we will get away with we will do away with our breakout session. And now the class will be more, and because the breakout session was really bothering me because it was just not working because of the bad internet. Maybe it is the rainy season, that's why. In 1 month's time.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Suhani. In 1 month's time, when the weather improves, I think things will be better. Okay. Yes. So how was your day at school, Sanyogita ma'am? After 5 days
Yes.
break, long break, 4 days break.
Yes, sir. Good.
Good. All right. Do you have a favorite student, Sayugita ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes,
You have a favorite student. Okay.
yes, yes. Some
Why?
students are very good and um, they learn all answers
They
of
give all answers, you mean?
they give on all answers every
And
day.
they are quick learners. They learn very quickly.
Yes, they
So
learn very
teachers like
quickly.
them more because they do not make teachers work hard naturally.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I try not to have a favorite student. Okay. I
Mm.
try not to have a favorite student. Yeah, it is natural that you will like some people's personality more. It's just natural,
Yes,
you
sir.
know. But I try not to have a favorite student. I try to, you know, I know outside my class, I like some people's personality more. That's true.
Yes, sir.
But
Yes.
in the class, I try not to have a favorite student because I think, but it is very
They are
difficult.
children, na, sir. They are
They are
all
children. That's what I'm saying. It is very
some
difficult
are
not
good,
to have
some
favorite
are
students,
some
especially
are
when you are
naughty.
teaching kids. Some children
Yes,
have
sir.
such cute personality. They will just, you know, you just fall in love with them, you know,
Yes,
just you
sir.
can't
Yes,
help
sir.
it. They're so cute,
Yes,
so
sir.
nice, so
Yes,
obedient.
yes, sir.
It is. Okay. And
Students
Anish,
are
how about you?
naughty. They
How about
always funny. They always fun with me.
Yeah. Some students
Always.
show a lot of respect. They make jokes. It's difficult to avoid their personality. After all, teachers also are humans with emotions, so they like
Yes.
some children more. But as teachers, I think we should try not to show it in the class.
Yes.
Even though you like someone more than others, try not to show it in the class,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
so that other children do not feel different, you know, like they're small kids. When they realize, oh, the teacher likes XYZ more, then they
Mm.
feel a little bit demotivated, unhappy about it. Okay, Apurva, you're going to have this conversation with your mother, the same conversation. You will ask your mom, Mom, do you have a favorite student? Why? Why do you have a favorite student? Do you think it is
Okay,
fair
sir.
to, do you think it is favorite to have a have a favorite student? Do you show it to the class that somebody is your favorite? Okay, let's see. In this class, can anybody tell me if somebody is my favorite? Let's see. Guys, do you think somebody in this class is my favorite?
No, sir. All are equal.
Well,
Your
I will
class.
say that there
You
are
thought
people I
that
like some people's personality
views
more. Yeah.
your views is very good and so all students are equal.
But saying
Uh,
yes, Apurva.
Your thought, your thought process is very good, and it attracts all the student when the way you like
The
your
way
student, um, you guide them. So
Hmm.
that's a very good thing, sir.
But when you say that everybody is equal to me here, but don't you guys think that I treat Sanyogita ma'am differently a little bit?
because I am a old person.
Because you are not their age, because you're not their age, so I treat you differently. Because
Think,
Hmm.
sir, I think that is a respect, sir.
Yes, of course, respect for her age, respect for her maturity, and
Yes, sir.
one more thing, because you guys are not uh, the same age, so you do not mind it. You know,
Yes,
imagine if they were all 19, 20-year-old students, and then I treat one person differently, then there's, oh, sir gives more attention, more time, more value to this particular student. But because we have all ages here, you know, it's a class of mixed ages. Somebody is in their 40s, somebody is in their 20s, somebody is a teenager, right? And we have some young students as well, like Adiv and Maz.
yes,
They're
sir.
very
Yes,
young, 11, 12,
yes,
13. So because we have a good mixture, you know, mix of ages, and that's why people do not take it otherwise.
yes, sir.
But if it was a group of I will say students of the same age, all of them are 10 years old, all of them are 20 years old, and then you have a favorite and you show it to the class, then people will
No.
definitely feel a little unhappy.
Yes, sir.
As teachers, we should try and give this confidence to each and every student that he or she is special to us.
Yes, sir. That's a
When you-
very
when-
good
when-
relation.
When you look inside, when you look inside, when you think look inside, okay, and ask yourself, how does Vanessa think about me? Does Vanessa think of me in a special way, in a different way? Your mind will, your heart will say, perhaps yes.
You always encourage the students, sir. You always encourage. If
But
they, if students give
The way-
wrong answer, but you don't scold him, but you always encourage the students.
But sometimes my tone is such that people get a little nervous and scared. I remember Renu saying, I don't want to be scolded. I don't want to give the answer. No, 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 no. I remember. So Renu, I made you feel nervous. I never
Yes,
thought that. I
sometimes,
never
sir.
thought that. I never expected that I would make you nervous. Okay. So I was very, I found it a little funny and unexpected that somebody like
Yes.
Renu can be a little nervous because of me. I thought Renu is a brave girl.
No, sir, I'm not brave.
All right. Sulekha. How are you doing, Sulekha? Let me ask you a funny question. Are you special to me? क्या आप मेरे लिए special हैं? अब फंसा दिया मैंने पूछ के. It's a trick question. सुलेखा, क्या आप मेरे लिए स्पेशल हैं? Are you special to me? आपका दिल क्या कहता है? आप जैसे आती है क्लास में, the way I talk to you, जैसे मैं आपसे बात करता हूँ, आपको क्या लगता है? आप मेरे लिए स्पेशल हैं? हाँ या ना? आपके ना होने से क्लास में I will miss you or not? What do you think? How many people think that when they are not in the class, I will miss them?
I am the one, sir.
I am
You're
also.
confident about it.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So Yogita ma'am is also sure that I will miss
Yes,
her
sir.
when she's not in the class.
Yes,
Other
yes,
people,
yes,
tell
sir.
me, do you think I will miss you when you're not in the class?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Abhishek says yes, sir. Okay. Who says nah? I don't think so. ऐसा कोई है भाई जिसको ना मेरे को तो आप मिस नहीं करोगे? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
अरे झूठा. You know it very well. It is not true. But you're just saying it. Atif is very funny, if we were in a physical class, I can tell you Atif would be the most entertaining in the class.
I am, sir.
Who? Suhani, yes, that's true. I would never miss Suhani, if she left the class, I would never miss her. That's for sure. Yeah. How did you know that, Suhani? You're so smart. You got it. Okay. So let's see. Sana, where did you go? So today we are going to talk about this, that, these, and those. And you know what? When I talk about these 4 words, I feel everybody knows them. They all study them in their childhood, but still sometimes we make mistakes. Let's see. Yesterday we learned something, that words like some and any, we follow a rule. Some is used in positive sentences and any is used in negative and question sentences, right?
Yes, sir. And you told
Yeah.
us, with some and any, we always use the plural form, na, sir?
Yes. But if you want to, if I want to say Apurva, thoda sa pani hai, then how do I say in English?
A little bit water.
मैं some बता रहा हूँ, मैं some सीखा, some की बात कर रहा हूँ, मैं नया word क्यों पूछूंगा?
There is some water.
There is some water.
और waters.
No,
No,
sir.
water.
There
Water.
is some water.
some water.
But sir, water is not plural. It's
Water-
uncountable noun.
Water doesn't have a plural form. Water
Yes,
is an
yes.
uncountable noun. Okay.
Uncountable noun.
So yes, it is true. After some and any, we use a plural noun when plural is possible, right? When plural
Yes,
is
sir.
not possible, then of course not. So मेरे पास थोड़ा सा पैसा है. I have
Some money.
Some money.
Some money.
I have some money.
I have some money. Okay. Yes. All right. So, okay. You see, look at this little boy here.
He is
He is
enjoying, sir. He is
He's only
enjoying
s-
with,
He is
with all.
he's just sitting here. He does
Ah.
nothing. I just asked him, beta, he's 7 years old and he has recently come to live with us. Okay. Maybe a month ago. So I told him, beta, you just sit here when I'm talking to the class, just sit here, be with me. He's a little shy. He doesn't want to be in the physical class. I have a physical class before yours, right? I invited him there, but he's so and shy and all that he doesn't want to be there. I said, all right, fine, just sit here. And you notice that I'm talking to you and he's sitting here. I'm not even teaching him, if you understand what I mean. Or I am not giving him much attention. He's just sitting here. And you know why it is going to help him? Because I and you are using a lot of English words in front of him.
Yes, yes.
He's hearing a lot of English words every day sitting here. And this is going to help him. This is what Kehkashan did not have when she was a child.
Yes.
Kehkashan never had this exposure. Exposure means opportunity to see something, hear something, feel something. That is exposure. For example, you saw some, when you were a child, you saw people smoking and drinking in your house. So you had the exposure to wine, exposure to smoking, right? And this can affect your health. This can affect your mentality.
Yes.
If you were small and you saw your mummy and papa fighting like dogs and cats, very badly, okay? Then you had exposure to domestic violence. So exposure means the opportunity to see something or experience something, hear something. That is called exposure. Exposure to the language is the most important thing. Okay, people? Exposure to the language. So if you have small children in your house, try to give them exposure. And you can do it through YouTube programs like Chota Bheem in English. There are cartoon programs in English. So small children, they will watch cartoon programs, but they listen to English while they're watching. So it is entertainment and at the same time, exposure to English. Maybe some children will say, no, I want to watch it in Hindi. But don't allow them. Just say no. If you want to watch cartoons, watch them in English. So it is, hitting two birds with the same stone. They are getting entertainment. And at the same time, it is not waste of time for them. They're learning something. So try this at home when you have a small children, okay? If you have a small children. Okay, fine. Let's see. Number one, picture number one. In this picture, we see a shopkeeper, a salesman.
Yes, sir.
We can also say a shop assistant, a shop assistant. He's a shop
Assistant.
assistant, a salesman, a shop assistant, a shopkeeper. All the words are similar, but with slight differences. You will understand the differences, okay? And then we have Josie here. So let's see.
Yes.
Josie wants to know. She's holding a lamp. She's holding a lamp.
Yes.
And she wants to know the price of this lamp. You go to the shops, you want to know the price of something. So what do you say?
How much is
What
this
is
lamp?
this
How
lamp?
much is this a lamp?
How much is this lamp, please?
How much is this lamp, please?
45 is 45 won.
It is 45 pounds.
How interesting it is that you want to know the price, but you don't use the word price. You don't use the word price in the question. You simply say, how much
How
is
much
this lamp?
is this lamp? How much is this lamp?
How much is this lamp? So when you want to know the price of something, okay, then you say, how much is this thing? You go to a shop and you look at a pencil and you want to know the price of the pencil. So what will you say?
How much is this
How much
pencil?
is this
This
pencil?
pencil.
How much is this pencil?
Okay. Yeah.
How much is this pencil?
Then the shopkeeper will say,
It is 5.
It is
It
It
is
is
5
5
rupees.
rupees.
Five
It is
rupees. 5
5
rupees.
rupees.
okay, here it means what? It means what?
Pencil.
pencil.
The
Pencil.
pencil. The pencil is singular. The pencil is singular. This pencil,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
Yes.
and it is also singular. Okay.
Yes.
How much is this lamp, please? It's 45 pounds. The lamp is 45 pounds. Now the shopkeeper is telling you the price, and he did not use the word price. He did not use the word cost. Notice this. He says
Yes.
it's 45 pounds. Number 2.
I like that.
I like that picture.
I like that.
I like that picture. Josie says to her friend Emily, I
Yes,
like that picture.
Yes.
yes, it's lovely.
Yeah, it's lovely. It here refers to, it here refers to, it
Picture.
refers to
Picture.
the
Picture.
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 The picture is lovely. It's lovely means the picture is lovely, right? Yeah, it's lovely. The picture is lovely. Number 3.
How much are these glasses?
Are these
How
glasses?
much
How much are these
Glasses?
glass?
How much are these glasses? The Josie wants to know the price. This time she says, how much are these glasses?
How much are these?
The shop assistant answers, they are
They
15
are
pounds.
15 pounds.
Notice one thing. This time the shop assistant uses they, not it. The shop
Yes.
assistant uses they, not it.
This
Why?
Because of glasses, sir.
Glasses.
Plural,
Glasses.
sir.
Yes.
It is
Plural.
plural.
These glasses, these glasses, right?
These
Plural.
are glasses.
These glasses,
Yes.
plural. And that's why he says they are 15 pounds.
They are 16.
Do you know that headphones is a plural noun? Headphones?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Suppose I go to a shop and I hold these headphones like this in my hand and I say, कितने का
How
है ये
much is
headphone?
this? How much
How much
are these
How much are
are
these?
these
Are these
headphones?
Headphones. How much
How
are
much are
these
these
headphones?
How much
How much are these
headphones?
How much are these headphones?
And then the shopkeeper will say, भैया 600 का है.
They are
They are
600.
16.
They are 600 rupees.
They are 600 rupees. Because it's a plural noun, so we will use they are, okay?
They are 600. They are 600.
Number 4, the friends are talking to each other.
I love
I love
those
those towels.
I love those clothes.
I love those
I
Towels.
love those
Towels.
towels. Now, बेटा,
Towels.
I want to tell you
Towels.
something. I want to tell you something. एक बात बताना है, सुन लो, पर्सपेक्टिव में सुन लो. जो इंग्लैंड जाएंगे, अमेरिका जाएंगे, उनको तो वैसे बोलना होगा जैसे वो लोग समझे वहां, राइट? अभी इस वर्ड टावल और मैंने बताया था कल एक और वर्ड बताया था फ्लावर, ओके? मैं अभी बताऊंगा शावर, ओके? ये सारे वर्ड्स में WER, WEL ऐसे आ रहा है. तो ये W का साउंड नहीं होता, वह नहीं बोलते,
Towels.
ओके? जैसे जनवरी नहीं बोलते हिंदी में, इंग्लिश में जनवरी बोलते हैं, वह नहीं निकालते. हिंदी में बोलते जनवरी, वरी, लेकिन इंग्लिश में जनवरी. ऐसे in English यहाँ W का pronunciation नहीं होता. There is no sound for W, okay? You can say towels, towels, towels. वह नहीं है, वह है ही नहीं. करके निकल जाते. Towels, okay?
Towels.
Got it? वैसे ही flowers, okay? वैसे ही shower, okay? वह नहीं बोलते. लेकिन आप अगर इंडिया में रहते हो और आपने टॉवेल बोल भी दिया तो जमीन गिर गई, आसमान गिर गया, जमीन फट गई, क्या हो गया? तो अगर हम अच्छे से इंग्लिश में बात कर ही रहे हैं, कंफर्टेबल है, अपनी बात अच्छे से बता पाते हैं, तो टॉवेल बोल ही देंगे तो कौन सा जमीन फट जाएगा यार? व्हाट्स द प्रॉब्लम? तो उन लोग के चक्कर मत पड़ो जो आपको फालतू की बातें बोलते रहते हैं. ठीक है, जानो द राइट प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज दिस. व्हेन यू टॉकिंग टू समबडी हु डजंट स्पीक हिंदी, ओके, इज नॉट फ्रॉम इंडिया, देन से टॉवल्स. लेकिन अगर आप यहाँ बात कर रहे हो तो टॉवल बोल भी दिया तो क्या ही हो गया? हाँ, बिग डील. तो ऐसे किसी भी जगह माइंडलेस होके नहीं किसी की बात सुननी है. पर्सपेक्टिव बहुत जरूरी है. तो मैं आपको बताऊं, आप मुझे एक बात बताओ, अपने घर में आप जैसे बात करते हो, जैसे कोई बाहर वाला आता है आप स्विच कर जाते हो, अपने बोलने के तरीके बदल देते हो ना?
Yes, sir.
The
Yes,
way
sir.
we talk depends a lot on where we are, who we are talking to. If somebody is speaking Maghi to their family members, it doesn't mean that person speaks Maghi with everybody. Similarly, I'll tell you, when I talk to Indians, then my pronunciation is different because I'm talking to Indians, okay? But when I talk to foreigners, British people, Americans, Europeans, then my pronunciation changes slightly because I'm aware that they will not understand the Indian pronunciation. But when I'm talking to Indians, I'm more relaxed. I know they'll understand the Indian pronunciation. Why I'm talking about it? I want you not to waste your energy and time trying to master the pronunciation of tal and shar and flower. Okay. You can stay with the pronunciation you have right now, but you should try and observe when other people, especially native speakers of English, when they say this word, notice how they say it. That's all. You will realize that they speak it in a different way. So I know both the pronunciations. I can pronounce it the way they say it, tal, okay? And I can also pronounce it the way Biharis and Indians pronounce it, towel. No problems. And again, the main purpose of language is communication, not impression. It's another thing that in India, if you speak good English, people get impressed. But that's not what you speak a language for. The purpose of a language is not impression or making an impression. The purpose is communication. You have something to say, and the person should understand what you are saying. That's all. So work to express yourself. And impression thing, well, as I told you, if your English is good, people automatically gets impressed. You know, when I talk to people somewhere where people do not speak much English, like in India, you know, at a railway station or somewhere, then they, oh, your English is very good. Okay, thank you very much. But I'm not speaking English to make that impression on you. I'm speaking to communicate with you. I was in Bengal, I was in Chennai. Whenever I'm in a place where they don't speak Hindi, I speak English, of course, right? And when I speak, I often get this compliment from people. Oh, your English sounds very good. Okay, thank you. But I'm not speaking to make an impression on you. I'm talking to communicate with you, right? That's my main aim. Now, there are some people who sound even more beautiful than I do, okay, when they speak English. So it is just their personality, okay? Take it easy. It's not something that you need to be very proud of. It's all right. I can only tell you one thing, that because my pronunciation was very bad when I was young, and I wanted to improve my pronunciation, I realized what I needed to do. I did not make any special effort. I only noticed how Englishmen, Americans, Australians, they say a word. I noticed it. I listened carefully, and that's all I did. And notice I said I carefully. I didn't say carefully. Okay. I just said carefully, okay? So I just listened, and this is how I improved. So if you want to change your pronunciation, don't sit there practicing for half an hour every day. Don't do anything like that. That's stupid, okay? You don't want to waste your time. Just whenever you're listening to an audio file, pay attention to the way they say the words. That's all. Just pay attention. Try and compare the way they say it and the way you say it. That's all. And now, moving on. Okay, how much are these glasses? They are 15 pounds, okay? So they are 15 pounds. It means you can buy all these glasses for 15 pounds. You pay 15 pounds and you can take all these glasses home, okay? You can take all these glasses home. Yaad hai? Take your problems home. You pay 15 pounds and you can take all these glasses home. आसान है English समझना उसी जैसे 15 pounds दीजिए सारे glasses घर ले जाइए. Not one glass, all of them, okay? They are 15 pounds, understand? So when somebody says they are 15 pounds, it means all the glasses, not one of them, okay? All of them, they're 15 pounds. Now, number 4. Josie says to Emily, I love those towels. Now her friend Emily replies, they are fabulous. They are
Fabulous.
fabulous. They are
They are
fabulous.
fabulous.
They are fabulous. Yeah, I love those towels, Josie says. And Emily says, they are
They are
fabulous.
fabulous.
Yeah, they're very good. They're very nice. So Emily likes those towels. Maybe they will buy the towels. Okay.
They are
Now,
fabulous.
let's see. Number 5. Josie loves those flowers. She says, look at
Look at those flowers. Look at those flowers.
Look at
Those
those
flowers.
Look at
flowers.
those flowers.
Look at those flowers. Look at those flowers. They are beautiful, Emily says, right? So Josie says, look at those flowers. Emily replies, they are beautiful. Why they? Because flowers is a plural noun.
Yes.
Right, everyone? Did
Yes.
you get number 5? Did you get number 5 correct? Did you get number 5 right?
Yes. Flowers. They are beautiful.
Did you get number 5 right? Did you get number 5 right?
Yes, sir.
मतलब
Yes, sir.
आपका नंबर
Yes,
5
sir.
सही हुआ कैसे पूछ रहे हैं नंबर 5 सही हुआ कौन सा इंग्लिश में क्या बोल रहे हैं
Flowers. Plural word. Plural word.
नहीं
They
नहीं
are
ये लाइन
beautiful.
कैसे बोलते हैं आपका नंबर आपका 5 नंबर सही हुआ 5 वाला सही हुआ कैसे बोल रहे हैं
Did you get
Did
right?
you correct number 5?
Did you get number 5 right?
Did you get
Did you
five?
get number 5 right?
Number five.
Yeah, मतलब 5
number
नंबर वाला सही हुआ
five
आपका
right?
ओके
Did you get
तो
five number?
इतना आसान है अगर आप गौर से सुनोगे ना तो ऐसे ऐसे चीज सीख जाएंगे जो हिंदी से नहीं होता अब हिंदी बोल रहे हैं आपका नंबर 5 सही हुआ और आप
Did
इंग्लिश में
you
क्या बोल
get number
Did
5
you
right?
get number
Did
5
you
right?
get five? Number five.
Did you
इंग्लिश
get number 5 right?
इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए इंग्लिश के वर्ड्स पे ध्यान देना पड़ेगा ना दोस्तों Did you get number 5 right? Everybody got number 5 right? I'm not
Yes.
sure. I'm pretty sure some people made mistakes with number 5. Come on, guys.
Sir, look
Tell
at
me.
those flower or look at this flower.
What did you write, Renu?
Look at those flowers.
Flowers. Look at those flowers, right?
Sir, I'm doing.
Yes, Kashif. All right. Good day, Kashif. Good day. I know you have, it's evening time and you're going to work, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye. See ya. Look at those flowers. They are beautiful. Number 6.
But sir, why she didn't use though? They are beautiful. Those are beautiful.
I will come to that. I will come
Sir,
to that.
those are
Okay?
beautiful.
I'll tell you, Renu. Renu, what did we learn? Oh, okay, you were not in unit 1 and 2. I'll tell you. I'll help you with that. Renu, there is a word called pronouns, right? Finally, after a long break, Shabnam is back. So tell me, the question, what are pronouns and when do we use them? So pronouns are those words which help us replace a noun. Shabnam,
Six said no, I guess.
okay. What was I saying? Beta, remember, if I say the parks in, there are a lot of parks in London and they are beautiful. So they मैंने यहाँ क्यों कहा?
Wow. Lot of
Because I didn't want
Lot
to
of
use
parks.
I didn't want to use the word parks again, right? I didn't want to repeat the word parks. So instead of parks, I said they are beautiful. There are a lot of parks in London, and
No,
they
sir,
are
I understand this, but though why we don't use those are beautiful because they distance पर है ना sir वो जो बता रही है those are
यही चीज आज सॉल्व हो जाएगा
Correct,
प्रॉब्लम
sir.
आज ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगा रेनू
Yes, sir.
ठीक है कि वो दिस दैट दीज दोस का प्रयोग करते क्यों है बता तो दिया जाता है कि वो दूर के लिए करना है ऐसे वैसे तो फिर प्रोनाउंस और उनमें क्या फर्क है व्हाई डू वी हैव देम बोथ तो मैं बताता हूँ समझाता हूँ आज आपको ठीक है अभी हम लोगों ने अभी तक जो देखा था आप मुझे ये बताओ आपने यही सवाल मुझसे 4 में क्यों नहीं किया व्हाई डिडंट यू आस्क मी दिस क्वेश्चन इन नंबर 4 आई लव दोस टॉवल्स Oh, they are fabulous. अच्छा चलिए फिर आते हैं नंबर 3 में. How much are these glasses? They are 15 pounds. गौर करिए इसमें भी आपने नहीं पूछा जबकि हम हर एक नाउन के लिए फिर प्रोनाउन यूज कर रहे हैं ना दोस्तों.
Yes, sir.
Number 3 में how much are these glasses? they are 15 pounds. आप यहाँ देखो, I like that picture. Yeah, it's lovely. The picture is lovely. Number one, how much is this lamp? It's 45 pounds. Okay, the lamp is 45 pounds, right? So we are using the pronoun every time. So Renu, my first question is, क्या ये question जो आपने पूछा सिर्फ 5 में आपके दिमाग में आया कि 1, 2, 3, 4 में भी आया?
No, sir, every picture.
In all the pictures, good?
Yes, sir, in all the picture.
But you asked me number 5, है ना?
Yes, sir, yes.
Okay, fine. I will answer that question. Just wait. Just have a little patience. Okay. Shabnam, where are you? Finally, after such a long break, where were you? Busy with a wedding or what?
No, sir, I was ill.
Oh, so sad. Shabnam was sick for such a long
Yes,
time,
sir.
4, 5 days.
Yes, sir.
Wow. Are you all right now?
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, look at number 5, Shabnam. Look at number 5. You see the two girls talking? Okay, what will they
Yes,
say?
sir.
Look at those flowers. And then the other girl says, they are beautiful. The flowers are beautiful. Number 6. Do you like this kettle? Number 6, everybody.
Do you like this kettle?
Like
Do
You like this
kettle?
kettle?
Yeah,
Then
it is.
Josie replies, yeah, it's a great
Yes,
color.
great
It's a
color.
great color.
Yeah, it's great.
It's a great color. She likes the color of the, she likes the color of the
kettle.
kettle. Yeah, it's a great color. Number 7. Josie wants to know, she wants to know the price. She asks,
Much are
How
these
much
How
are
much
these?
are
How
these
much
cups?
are cups?
how much are these mugs?
Mugs.
How much are these cups? आपने cups लिखा, mugs लिखा, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It doesn't matter to me, okay? लेकिन you should write, how much are these mugs? I can hear some noises coming. Whose is this? Noise coming from? Who is it coming from?
Abhishek,
Please.
sir.
Please make sure that you are muted, Abhishek, please. Thank you. बता दिया कर, okay? When you notice this. How much are these glasses? Sorry, mugs. How much are these mugs or cups? जो भी आप लिखो. Doesn't matter. अभी फिलहाल के लिए मेरे लिए वो मायने नहीं रखता. How much are these mugs? She wants to know the price. शबनम, एक बात highlight करता हूँ शबनम. कि आप कीमत पूछ रहे हो, लेकिन ना cost word बोल रहे हो, ना price word बोल रहे हो. सीधा क्या बोल रहे हो?
How much?
How much is Max price? How much?
How
ठीक
much
है?
are these mugs?
How
Yeah.
much are these mugs?
एक दिन इन लड़कों को लाइन में खड़ा कर दिया जाएगा. लड़की के बाप आएंगे और पूछेंगे, how much is Atif? He is 18 lakh. And how much is Irshad? Irshad, he is 12 lakh. Why? Why 2 lakh more? Oh, he goes to the gym. Acha. Okay, guys. तो ऐसे ही आपकी कीमत लगेगी. Anish, if you get the job, then you know how much is Anish का जवाब आएगा? He is 30 lakh rupees. If you
No,
don't get
sir.
the job, then Anish is only 8 lakh rupees. Understand
Yes,
that?
sir. It's real, sir.
Okay. So please, how much are these mugs? We don't use the word price or cost when we want to know. It's colloquial. This is how we talk. बातचीत ऐसे ही करते हैं दोस्त हम लोग. आप दुकान पे
Yes.
जाते हो ना?
Yes, sir.
क्या बोलते हो
How
जाके?
much are these?
ये मग कितने का है भाई? किसने प्राइस बोला? नहीं बोला. किसने कॉस्ट बोला?
Hello,
नहीं बोला.
sir.
हेलो.
Sir, do we say how much are these cups?
हाँ बेटा, how much are these cups? मतलब क्या हुआ बेटा?
No, sir. How much? These are, how much is this mobile cost?
नहीं बेटा. If you remember Babar Ali text, Adib, we say,
sir,
how much does his class cost? How much does his school cost? Right, बेटा?
Yes.
अब जरा सुने, आप दुकान पे जाके स्कूल खरीदते हो? नहीं ना? खरीदते बेटा? नहीं, ठीक है?
No.
तो बस ये ध्यान रखना, अगर आपको कहीं पर बोलना कितने का है, कितना पड़ता है इसका, इस तरह से आप सवाल
How
करते हो
much
ना, तो बहुत आसान है. मैं आपको बाद में जैसे जैसे उम्र बढ़ेगी आपकी, यहाँ समय बिताओगे आप ज्यादा, आपको धीरे धीरे बहुत से सिमिलैरिटीज डिफरेंसेस महसूस होंगे। आज रेनू को ये पता चलेगा कि वो दीज और दोज वहां क्यों नहीं बोल रहे आंसर में, दिस और दैट आंसर में क्यों नहीं बोल रहे हैं। क्वेश्चन में तो बोल रहे हैं हाउ मच इज दिस केटल, बट आंसर में कह रहे हैं इट्स अ ग्रेट कलर और इट्स 50 पाउंड समथिंग लाइक दैट। वहां दिस और दैट क्यों नहीं बोल रहे हैं? एंड द आंसर इज वेरी बेसिक, लेकिन वो आंसर किसी को यहाँ नहीं पता होगा, खाली रेनू को नहीं। मैं आपके क्वेश्चन को सबके पास लेके जाऊंगा रेनू, डोंट वरी, ओके। एंड आपको रियलाइज होगा कि आपकी जितनी भी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं वो सबकी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं लगभग। क्यों? अगर एक की प्रॉब्लम होगी तो स्टूडेंट की गलती है, अगर सबकी प्रॉब्लम है तो पढ़ाने का सिस्टम था वही गड़बड़ था, जो दिमाग में आया नहीं, जगह बना ही नहीं क्या होना चाहिए था। ओके, लेट्स सी हाउ मच आर दीज मग्स। आंसर एवरीबॉडी।
These are 150 rupees.
How much are these mugs?
These are 150 rupees.
No.
These
no.
are 65
Okay.
rupees.
Suyukta ma'am, the
Five.
answer that is written there, the answer that is written there. I know you can give the right, your own answer, but here, the answer written here. 5 pounds each.
5
5
pounds
pound
each.
It is
इसमें
5
it और
pound.
they नहीं आया ना, करो, use करके दिखाओ।
It is 5 pound each.
कौन
It
है?
is
बोल
not.
रहे हो?
It is, these
It
are,
is 5.
they
It
are
is 5
5
pound each.
They are 5 pound each.
अब आप देखो क्या होता है, आपको चीजें पता होती हैं लेकिन आप अप्लाई सही से नहीं कर पाते हो, ठीक है। अपने 2 मग्स देखे ना हाथ में उनके,
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
आपको इट बोलना चाहिए, दे बोलना चाहिए, आप खुद डिसाइड करो।
they,
फिर इट क्यों बोला?
these are,
They are 5 pound each.
they are 5 pounds.
They are 5 pound each.
How much are these mugs? 5 pounds each.
These are,
They are 5 pounds each. देखते हो सना कैसे पढ़ती हैं, म्यूट करके बैठी रहती हैं, आराम से प्रैक्टिस करती रहती है, हर चीज बोलते रहती हैं। अच्छी स्टूडेंट है सना आप, यू नो, ऐसे ही प्रैक्टिस सबको करना चाहिए, और डिस्टर्ब भी नहीं करती। गौर से देखो तो शी म्यूट्स हरसेल्फ बट शी प्रैक्टिसेस, ओके। आई विश आई कुड हैव यू गाइस इन माय फिजिकल क्लास, इट वुड बी मोर फन, यू नो। अगर आप लोग मेरे फिजिकल क्लास में होते सबके सब, मजा आ जाता। यू नो, रियल पीपल के साथ बैठना, तस्वीरों के साथ बैठने में फर्क है, यू नो व्हाट आई मीन।
Yes.
Okay. How much are these mugs? They are 5 pounds each. Number 8. Look at that coat. Look at that coat. आपने क्या लिखा?
Look at that.
Look at
cloth.
that cloth.
You don't need any more clothes. Emily says, nah, सोचना भी मत. You already have a lot of clothes, right?
You already have a lot of. You don't
See
need
here.
any.
Yeah, 4 ticks here, guys. Clothes. She has a lot of clothes. Okay? So her friend says, nah, sochna bhi mat. You don't need any more clothes. You don't need
Any more cloth.
any more clothes. Okay. Now, 4.7. Let's listen, guys. Let's listen to the audio. Four 4.7. And don't forget to practice. Guys, आज जो पढ़ाई कराई है मैंने और कराने वाले हैं अभी आगे, okay? In next 40 minutes. Don't forget to practice, okay? Practice जरूर करना ग्रुप में. Yes, you were saying something.
yes, sir. Sir,
Go
question
on.
number 7,
Sorry, I can't hear you.
can you hear me, sir?
Yes.
Sir, question number 7, can we say it like that, how much does cost?
Do you remember that sentence from Babar Ali text? How much does his school cost? How much does his school cost? Cost is the verb, Zeba. Cost is the verb, है ना? और जब cost verb है, subject के बाद cost होगा तो is आ सकता है दोस्तों.
It, sir, it.
How much
How
does
much
it
does-
cost? How much
Yes.
does it cost? How much does it cost? ये हम
It
लोग पहले ही
cost,
पढ़ चुके हैं. And it is a totally correct sentence, Zeba. It is totally correct sentence. How much does it cost? Okay? Understand? But in a shop, आप ही मुझे बताना, बोल सकते हैं बेटा, बिल्कुल बोल सकते हैं, उसका भी मतलब हो, प्राइस बताओ, कीमत बताओ, how much does it cost? लेकिन जब आप दुकान पे होते हो तो आप कौन सा लाइन ज्यादातर बोलते हो? How much is it? How much is
How
it?
much is how much it
How
is?
blue
How
one?
much
How much is the blue one? How much is the red one? ऐसे करके आप पूछते हो, आसान। अच्छा आप बताओ, भाषा कौन सी अच्छी है, जिसमें कम वर्ड्स बोलना पड़े या जिसमें ज्यादा वर्ड्स बोलना पड़े?
कम words
बोलना पड़े।
दुकान वगैरह में हम लोग यही लाइन यूज करते हैं। और जैसे से आपका समय बीतेगा ना ज़ेबा बेटा, इंग्लिश में ना बड़े समय बिता करके बहुत सी चीजें सीखी जाती हैं बेटा। जैसे क्लास 8 का सिलेबस क्लास 1 के सिलेबस से अलग होगा ना बच्चों? इसमें कोई आश्चर्य की बात तो नहीं है। तो इंग्लिश में भी क्लास 1 की इंग्लिश और क्लास 8 की इंग्लिश होती है ना?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
तो अब मैं आपको बताता हूँ, जो आप बचपन में पढ़ रहे थे जिस तरह से, उसमें तो आप, जाहिर सी बात है वो फेल कर गया वो तरीका, क्योंकि हम लोग 8-10 साल स्कूल में बिताए, फिर कॉलेज में 2-3 साल बिताए, फिर भी वी आर नॉट वेरी कंफर्टेबल विद इंग्लिश, थोड़ा थोड़ा आइडिया है। तो अब जब हम लोग फिर से कर रहे हैं इसकी प्रैक्टिस, तो हम लोग एलिमेंट्री लेवल से चल रहे हैं। एलिमेंट्री लेवल पे हम लोग बेसिक स्टडीज कर रहे हैं अभी। लेकिन समय आएगा ज़ेबा, व्हेन यू आर इन द हायर लेवल ऑफ कोर्सेज, आप फील करोगे, मेरे से पूछोगे नहीं, क्या करोगे? फील करोगे फर्क। दोनों का मतलब एक है दोस्तों, हाउ मच डज समथिंग कॉस्ट एंड हाउ मच इज समथिंग। ठीक है, चलो मैं बोल देता हूँ, दिस माइक, हाउ मच डज दिस माइक कॉस्ट? क्या जानना चाहते हैं? प्राइस है ना?
Yes.
हाउ मच डज दिस माइक कॉस्ट? हाउ मच इज दिस माइक? ठीक है, ये दोनों सेंटेंस का मकसद एक है, बिल्कुल। लेकिन कहीं कहीं पे जो हल्का सा फर्क है, वो महसूस करने की चीज है। एंड व्हेन द टाइम इज राइट, आई एम प्रीटी श्योर आप महसूस कर पाओगे। उसके लिए आपको बातें माननी होंगी मेरी, ठीक है? अभी देखो, आप हिंदी में शब्द सोचो बेटा। आप क्यों ऐसा फंसते हो ये बताता हूँ, क्योंकि आप इसकी हिंदी खाली सोच रहे हो। आप इंग्लिश के वर्ड्स पे ध्यान दो। हाउ मच इज इट? बोलो, हाउ मच इज इट?
Is it? How much is it?
How
How
much is
much does it cost? How much does it cost?
How much
Cost.
does it cost?
ठीक है, अब वर्ड्स को ध्यान में रखो, धीरे धीरे जो थोड़ा सा फर्क है वो आप महसूस करोगे। कुछ जगह पे आप दोनों में से कोई बोल दोगे, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बट कुछ जगहों पे दोनों में से एक ही बोल सकते, दूसरा नहीं, ऐसे भी जगह होंगे। तो यू विल फील इट, आप धीरे धीरे महसूस करोगे। अगर मैं भी बोल दूं, मैं अगर बोलूं आपको कि मेरी वाइफ मुझे बहुत प्यार करती है, तो आप महसूस कर लिए कि मेरी वाइफ कितना प्यार करती है हमको? महसूस कर लिए? नहीं ना? तो वैसे ही कुछ चीजें महसूस करने की होती हैं, किसी से सुनने की जरूरत नहीं है, उसको आप महसूस कर सकते हो। जस्ट वेट फॉर द राइट टाइम, ओके? अब बात बोलोगे सर कि ये तो कभी हमको नहीं पता चलेगा आपकी पत्नी आपको कितना प्यार करती है, वो इंडिविजुअल है ना भाई। लेकिन इंग्लिश के मामले में हम सब इंग्लिश को चाह सकते हैं, और सबको इंग्लिश एक जैसा फीलिंग दे सकती है, ठीक है? तो you want to develop a feeling for English words and phrases and sentences and patterns. And that's your main objective, your main goal, to develop a feeling for English. Not just the vocabulary, not just the grammar. You want a feeling. मैं वापस वही एग्जाम्पल दूंगा। आपको किसी ने बोला कमीना, आप गुस्सा हो जाते हो। जबकि आपसे कोई पूछ दे कमीना मतलब लिटरली क्या होता है, मीनिंग नहीं बता पाओगे आप, लेकिन गुस्सा होते हो। Because you feel the word kamina. You don't understand the meaning, you feel the word, right? So similarly, if you spend the right amount of time under the right guidance, then you will develop a feeling for these words. I hope you understand. How much does it cost? How much is it? सुन के कौन सा लग रहा है ज्यादा बोलचाल वाला?
How much is
How
it?
much is it?
How
How much
much?
is it?
How much is it? How much?
Okay. Fine. Let's go on to the next thing, the audio file. I'm playing the audio file, everybody. Listen carefully, okay? Listen carefully. And then I will answer Renu's question. कि ये this, that, these, those answers में क्यों नहीं use हुए? All right, everybody, listen.
Tape script 4.7. This, that, these, those. 1.
How much is this lamp, please?
It's £45.
2.
I like that picture. Yes, it's lovely.
3,
How much are these glasses?
They're £15.
4,
I love those towels. They're fabulous.
5,
Look at those flowers. They're beautiful.
6,
Do you like this kettle? Yeah, it's a great colour.
7,
How much are these mugs?
£5 each.
8,
Look at that coat. You don't need any more clothes.
Tape script 4.7. This, that, these, those. 1,
So there are 4 words that we are trying to,
This,
practice. This, that, these, and those. Now I have a very simple question. How many of these words are used with singular nouns?
this, that,
And
This
that,
and
that
that. These 2 words are used with,
singular.
This and that.
and
singular.
which words are used with plural nouns?
Those and
Those and these.
and these.
these and those.
These and
These
Those.
these and those. Okay. And which 2 words are used for things or people which are near to the speaker?
Yes, sir.
This.
No, sir.
This.
This is used as the near.
2
जैसे
words
अब
are
मेरे
used.
सामने
2 words
है.
are used for things which are near the speaker.
Yes.
That and these.
These and
This and these.
This and
This and these.
Which 2
And,
words are
uh,
used for things which are not near to the speaker?
Those and
That
and
those.
Okay,
Yes.
so both the ideas are clear in your mind. 2 of
Yes.
them are for singular.
Singular and yes, singular.
Which 2?
Singular all these or
This
that.
and that. These
This
and
and
these.
that are singular words. But these and those are plural words.
Now the question is, ये हैं क्या words? क्यों हैं? Okay. So when you say, I like that picture, I like that.
picture.
Okay.
Picture.
So your finger automatically goes in that direction as say. Yeah.
Yeah.
These words are useful to indicate
Yeah.
those people there, those people there, those people. तो indicate करते समय ये words मुंह से आते हैं बाहर. कब आते हैं?
Yes.
Indicate करते.
Indicate करते वक्त.
तो
Indicate करते
जब
वक्त.
मैंने आपको
That
Yes.
is the singular and those is the plural words.
Exactly.
Use with
मेरे
plural.
पास indicate कर रहे हैं हम. ये वाली pencil, ये वाली
This-
pencil. तो कौन कैसे?
This
pencil.
अच्छा, this मतलब ये वाली आपने कभी सुना था? ये वाली?
No.
अभी तो मैंने बोला this, ये वाली
Yes,
pencil.
sir. ये वाली
ये वाली पेंसिल. देखो गौर से. मैं जानते हैं कि आपको this मतलब या that मतलब वो ऐसे करके रटाया है, लेकिन आप देखो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. ये वाली पेंसिल.
ये वाली pencil.
English?
This pencil.
This is a pencil.
Sorry, Shabnam.
No,
गलत
no,
जवाब
no,
दे.
no.
This
This pencil.
This pencil. This pencil.
Yes.
This pencil.
ये वाली पेंसिल महंगी आती है.
This pencil is
This
Pencil
pencil
are
is
expensive.
pencil is very expensive.
This pencil is expensive. This pencil
Or
is expensive.
Expensive.
अब आप खाली ये गौर करो, ठीक है, कि जो हिंदी वर्ड्स यूज हुए, आपने उनकी इंग्लिश कभी पढ़ी भी नहीं होगी. ये वाली आपने तो यह पढ़ा था दिस मतलब, लेकिन अगर आप महसूस करोगे तो आप जितने भी वेरिएशंस लेके आओ हिंदी में, आप इंग्लिश सही बोलोगे. राइट? इसलिए महसूस करना इज जरूरी, वेरी जरूरी. ओके. दिस पेंसिल. अब मैं जब भी बोलता हूँ दिस पेंसिल तो ऐसे चला जाता है ना, तो ये
Yes.
इंडिकेट करने के लिए वर्ड्स हैं. तो रेनू, जब मैं कहता हूँ ये वाली पेंसिल महंगी आती है, तो आप बोलेंगे नहीं सर 5 ही रुपए की आती है. तो आपने तो नहीं बोला ये वाली, तो आप क्यों बोलेंगे दिस? आपको तो सिर्फ इस पेंसिल के बारे में एक वर्ड यूज करना है. तो आप इस पेंसिल को रिपीट नहीं करना चाहते, तो ना रिपीट करने के लिए कौन सा वर्ड यूज करते हो? प्रोनाउन प्रोनाउन पहले बोलो प्रोनाउन क्या यूज करते हो? और सिंगुलर चीजों के लिए कौन सा प्रोनाउन होता है?
It.
तो जब मैं कहता हूँ दिस पेंसिल इज एक्सपेंसिव, तो आप मुझसे डिसएग्री कैसे करोगे?
No,
That
it is not
Expensive.
No, it isn't.
expensive.
No, it isn't. It isn't. It is also 5 rupees. No, it isn't.
It is only 5 rupees.
It is
Yeah.
only 5 rupees.
Only 5.
Got it, guys?
Yes.
अब आपको
Yes.
समझ में आया रेनू कि दूसरे जवाब में सारे में दिस दैट दीज दोस क्यू यूज नहीं हो रहा है? Okay, और एग्जांपल देता हूँ. Some more examples, guys. Okay. These headphones are very old.
Yes.
These headphones are very old. काफी पुराना है ये हेडफोन्स. मैं हिंदी में बता रहा हूँ आपको. These headphones are very old. अब आपको कुछ भी बोलना है कि सर अच्छा आवाज देता है सर, ठीक है, अच्छी क्वालिटी का है, तो आप किसके बारे में बात करो? इसी हेडफोन्स के बारे में ना. हेडफोन्स के बारे में आप बात करो तो आपके पास प्रोनाउन का ऑप्शन है कि नहीं है? जब नाउन्स की बात हो गई तो दूसरे बार तीसरे बार आप क्या यूज करते हो? प्रोनाउन करते हो ना. रिपीट करते रहते हो, प्रोनाउन यूज करते हो. तो आप क्या बोलोगे?
They are not old. They are not old.
अभी आप ये बोल दो ना कि अच्छा आर दे गुड क्वालिटी सर? आर दे गुड क्वालिटी?
Are they good quality? Are they good voice?
तो ये 4 वर्ड्स इंडिकेट करने के लिए यूज होते हैं. चीजों के बारे में बात करने के लिए नहीं, चीजों को
Indicate करने.
Indicate.
प्रोनाउंस क्या है? उनके नाम को अवॉइड करने के लिए. मैं नाम नहीं लेना चाहता. This mouse is very old and it doesn't work very well now. Okay, it's broken. बार मैं बोल रहा हूँ it. पता है ना, मैं माउस के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ, तो माउस बोलने के जगह मैं प्रोनाउन बोलूंगा ना. Please. This mouse is very old. This mouse is broken. This mouse doesn't work very well. I am fed up of this mouse. अच्छा लगा? This mouse. अच्छा लगा? नहीं. तो replace it. This mouse is old and it's broken. And it's broken and it doesn't work very well. तो आप समझ में आया? It क्या है? It pronoun है. Noun के जगह पे pronoun यूज करते हैं. Hope everybody understands?
Yes, sir.
This, that, these, those, they are used to indicate. उनका काम है indicate करना. Okay? अब जरा सा ध्यान दीजिए. इनको अकेले यूज करके दिखाता हूँ रेनू. आप चाहते हैं अकेले यूज करना? अकेले यूज करके दिखाते हैं. Okay? You go to a shop. Okay? You go to a shop. Apurva, what are you writing, Apurva? Very busy. I don't know if you can listen to me while you are writing with so much of attention. एक बात बताऊं अपूर्वा, और ये बात मैंने रेनू को भी कहा है कि आई एम नॉट वेरी बिग फैन ऑफ मेकिंग नोट्स, है ना, मैंने कल बोला था शायद. तो मैं आपको एक बात बताता हूँ. बड़े जब आप हो जाते हैं कॉलेज वगैरह में पढ़ने वाले, तो आपके प्रोफेसर साहब 1 सेकंड के लिए नहीं रुकते बीच में लेक्चर देते समय कि आप लिखेंगे. अच्छे कॉलेजेस में नहीं रुकते दोस्तों. वो आपके छोटे शहर वाले कॉलेज है जहाँ लिखवाएंगे वो तो अलग बात है. लिखो कॉमा, लिखो डैश, टीचर भी ले चलो है और स्टूडेंट्स भी ले चलो है. कॉलेज में आ गए हो आप. ओके, तो यूनिवर्सिटी में कोई टीचर, अच्छे यूनिवर्सिटी में, आप दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी चले जाओ, पटना यूनिवर्सिटी चले जाओ, वहाँ टीचर्स आपके सामने आएंगे, लेक्चर देके जाएंगे और आपके लिए कुछ नहीं रुकेंगे वो. और सारे स्टूडेंट्स पेन और पेंसिल लेके बैठे होते हैं. तो वो कैसे लिखते हैं भाई? दे टेक नोट्स. अब टेकिंग नोट्स इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम राइटिंग डाउन एवरीथिंग. वहां होता है 1 वर्ड, 2 वर्ड, ऐसे निशान, ये निशान. इसमें इमेजिनेशन लगता है कि किस बात को कैसे लिंक करना है. आप सारी कुछ नहीं लिख सकते. तो अपूर्वा, आप जो लिख रही थी वो नोट्स बनाना तो बिल्कुल नहीं था, क्योंकि नोट्स बनाते समय आदमी सिर्फ ऊपर सुनता रहता है और नीचे कलम चला देता है ऐसे ऐसे, उसमें इमेजिनेशन लगता है. अभी आप स्कूल के बच्चे की तरह पढ़ाई किए, अगर आप कॉलेज के बच्चे की तरह करेंगे तो आप सुनेंगे मेरी बात, आपको लगा कि ये लिख लेने की चीज है, तो आप सुनते समय से हल्का सा कुछ लिख दोगे जो बाद में आपको याद दिला दे क्या लिखना चाहते थे आप. सिर्फ आपको रिमाइंडर के लिए आप नोट्स बनाते हो. आप नोट्स में डिटेल्स नहीं डालते दोस्तों.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है,
Sir.
तो याद रखें इस बात का, क्योंकि जब आप बिजी हो लिखने में तो उसमें आपको टीचर की बात सुनाई पड़ेगी. आप ही बता दो. नहीं, हो ही नहीं सकता. आप कुछ भी कर लो, कोई भी एक चीज जिसमें दिमाग लग जाए तो फिर दूसरी तरफ दिमाग नहीं जाएगा. और लिखने में दिमाग लगता है या नहीं लगता? अगर आप जैसे लिख रहे थे पूर्वा वैसे लिखेंगे तो पूरा फोकस कर रही थी. ठीक है, तो मैं आपको कुछ बताना चाह रहा था। आप शॉप पे जाते हो, ओके, एंड यू लाइक ए ग्रीन ड्रेस, ओके, तो वो दुकानदार को बोलते हो शो मी दैट ग्रीन ड्रेस। आप ऐसे बोलते हो शो मी दैट ग्रीन ड्रेस।
That.
वो ऐसे टंगा है डिस्टेंस पे, तो आप कहते हो शो मी दैट ग्रीन ड्रेस, ओके। Now there are 2-3 different green dresses there, okay, and the shopkeeper gives you another green dress. He gives you green dress,
No,
but he
that
gives you
one.
another. Well, they not that. आप क्या बोल रहे हैं?
Not that.
That.
This
The
one.
next one, the other one. Yes, that. तो आप देखो, एक सिंगुलर भी आप अकेले भी यूज कर रहे हो उसको, लेकिन आपका हाथ ऐसे ही जा रहा है ना।
Yes.
चलो, let's have another example, okay? This time we will talk about plural nouns. इस बार हम लोग plural nouns की बात करते हैं, okay? हेडफोन्स ले रहे हो आप, हेडफोन्स, ओके, तो वैसे ही वहां वो वाला हेडफोन दीजिए, शो मी दोज वंस, शो मी दोज हेडफोन्स, दीज। दुकानदार टच करके, क्योंकि उससे आपसे डिस्टेंस पे तो थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन होता है ना, ही टच्ड दीज, no, not those, next to them, अब देखो, फिर से प्रोनाउन, ये कैसे दोनों के बीच खेल रहे हैं हम लोग, गौर करो। आपने कहा शो मी दोज हेडफोन्स, इंडिकेट किया, तो आपके क्या बोलना होगा, शो मी दोज हेडफोन्स। दुकानदार ने हाथ रखा हेडफोन्स पे, लेकिन वो उसने गलत हेडफोन्स पे हाथ रखा, तो आप बोले नो, नॉट दोज, नेक्स्ट टू देम, उनके बगल में, वो हेडफोन्स के बगल में। तो नेक्स्ट टू, अब हेडफोन्स जहां आया तो प्रोनाउन चाहिए आपको, क्योंकि आप नाउन यूज करना नहीं चाहते, रिपीट नहीं करना चाहते, तो आप क्या बोलते हैं, प्रोनाउन। हेडफोन्स प्लूरल है, तो आप क्या बोलेंगे, नेक्स्ट टू नाउन। प्रोनाउन कैसे यूज होता है, और ये दीज, दोज, दिस, दैट किस लिए यूज होता है, आप बताएं मुझे, कि हम लोग इस तरह से क्लैरिटी के साथ ये वर्ड नहीं जानते थे कि सिर्फ इंडिकेट करने के लिए इनको हमको यूज करना है, ठीक है। हाँ, अकेले भी यूज हो सकता है, और फिर आगे बढ़ेंगे, लेवल आगे बढ़ेगा आपका, जैसे आपका लेवल आगे बढ़ेगा ना, तो आप उन चीजों के बारे में दिस, दैट, दिस, दोज यूज कर लोगे जहां उंगली नहीं दिखा रहे आप। अब आपको थोड़ा सा आगे बता देता हूं, आपके हिंदी लैंग्वेज में एक वर्ड है ई, आपके हिंदी लैंग्वेज में एक वर्ड है ऊ, बोलते हो, ये लड़कियां हमको फंसा देगी, लड़कियां हमको मुसीबत में डलवा देगी, ठीक है। तो ये लड़कियां जब आप बोल रहे हो, तो आप क्या बोलोगे, दिस गर्ल विल गेट मी इन ट्रबल, दिस गर्ल विल get me in trouble, this girl will definitely get me in trouble, ठीक है। आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड बिना बताए आपके घर आ गई, बिना आपको बोली भी नहीं कि आ रहे घर, आपके घर आ गई, आपके मम्मी पापा सब घर पे हैं, आपका हालत खराब, ये लड़की हमको फंसा देगी, दिस गर्ल विल गेट मी इन ट्रबल, ओके। तो आप इंडिकेट थोड़ी कर रहे हो, बात समझ आ रही है। तो याद करना, जो आपके शुरुआती लेवल पे जो चीजें बताई जाती है ना, उसके आगे भी चीजें होती हैं जानने को, उसको इतिश्री मींस दैट्स द एंड नहीं समझना चाहिए, दैट्स जस्ट द बिगिनिंग। तो एवरी कॉन्सेप्ट दैट आई टॉक अबाउट एट द एलिमेंट्री लेवल इज जस्ट द इंट्रोडक्शन, ओके, वी कैन बिल्ड ऑन इट ऑल। ऐसे समझो ना, ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे जो भी स्ट्रक्चर बना है, उसके ऊपर और बनने वाला है, अच्छी बड़ी बिल्डिंग बनाने के लिए, वो खत्म नहीं हो गया वहां पे कुछ भी। So we are just building the ground floor. We are working on the ground floor right now, and we have to build a taller structure. Got it? So I hope you guys have a little better understanding of the words this, that, these, those. Let's go to the grammar reference and learn some more. Here, 4.7. Okay, look at this box here, everybody. Singular, this and that. Plural, these and those. Let's go to page number 136.
Page number 136.
Okay, everybody, we use this and these to talk about people or things that are near to us. I like this picture. Hindi mein? ये पिक्चर मुझे बहुत पसंद है, ये पिक्चर मुझे अच्छा लगता है। I like this picture. ये पिक्चर, मुंह से क्या निकलेगा, ये पिक्चर। और अगर बिहारी ज्यादा बिहारीपन में आ जाए तो बोले ये पिक्चर वा हमको बहुत अच्छा लगता है, ये पिक्चर वा हमको बहुत अच्छा लगता है। Right, this picture. I like this picture. And how much are these mugs? ये जो mugs हैं ये कितने के हैं भाई? How much are these mugs? How much are these mugs? कितने के हैं ये mugs? Number 2.
Can
We
you
use that and those to talk about people or things that aren't near to us. वो आदमिया दिखाई दे रहा तुमको? वो आदमिया दिखाई दे रहा? वो आदमिया, वो आदमिया, वो आदमिया? Can you
See that
can you
man?
see that man? Can you see that man? Can you see that man? दिख रहा वो तुमको? Can you see that man? अच्छा, कुछ लोग इसकी हिंदी करेंगे, क्या तुम देख सकते हो? क्योंकि कैन का मतलब उनके दिमाग में सकना ही आता है, उसी को कहते हैं दिमाग को बांध देना। क्या आप इसकी
सर
हिंदी
अगर और अगर आंसर दे यस हाँ मैं उसको देख सकती हूँ तो हिंदी इंग्लिश
Yeah, I can see him.
Yes,
Yeah, I can see him. I can see him.
Yes, I can
I can
see
see
him.
him. I can see him. I can
I
see
can
him.
see him.
The pronoun. I can
Yes.
see him. Yeah, I can see him. Yes, I can see him. Okay. Who are those children outside? Who are those children outside? बोलो तुम्हारे बच्चे हैं सारे, आ गए हैं अपने पापा को ढूंढते ढूंढते।
कौन है वो लोग?
They're all your children.
They are all your
You
children.
didn't know about. Beta, we need to charge that thing. It has been out of charge for such a. Who are those children outside? Oh, they have come to take admission in the course. All right. They have come to take admission in the course. Number 3. We can use this, that, these, those without a noun. Okay. इसमें this, that, these, those के बाद nouns थे ना? But we can use them without a noun too. This is lovely.
This is lovely.
मतलब कुछ किसी अच्छी कोई बात अच्छा हुआ है, आप बोल रहे this is lovely. अच्छा चलो, आपके सामने कोई बात घटी है, ठीक है? मान लो किसने बताया कि मेरे बहन का एडमिशन हो गया है ये फलाने स्कूल में, फलाने कॉलेज में, तो आप कहोगे this is lovely. We need to have a party. Let's celebrate. क्या बोलेंगे आप? This is lovely.
It's lovely. We need to have
Yeah,
a
this is
party.
lovely.
We need to have.
आपको किसने बताया कि यार मेरा एक्सीडेंट हो गया था यार, 4 दिन बिस्तर पे पड़े? Oh, that's horrible. Oh, that's horrible.
That's horrible.
हम लोग दिस और दैट को आगे भी पढ़ने वाले, डोंट वरी, ओके? मैंने क्या कहा आपको कि एलिमेंट्री लेवल पे किसी चीज को इंट्रोड्यूस करने का ये कहीं मतलब नहीं होता कि आप उसके बारे में सब कुछ अभी जानेंगे। अगर अभी आप जानने की कोशिश, इट विल बी अ टोटल वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम। मैं आपको बताऊं, मैं यहाँ पर नोट्स बना के लेके आ सकता हूँ दोस्तों, और ऐसे ही ज्यादातर क्लासेस में पढ़ाई होती है। मैं बता रहा हूँ, सुनो, एक अच्छा सा नोट्स बना के ला सकता हूँ दिस और दैट और दीज दोस्त के बारे में, ऐसी ऐसी जानकारी कि जो जानकारी आप सुने नहीं पहले और आप यूज कर सकते हैं। सही है, सारा सही रहेगा, लेकिन क्या आप उन सबको हैंडल कर सकते हैं? सवाल ये है। मतलब हैंडल करने का मतलब क्या वो आपके मुंह पे जगह पा जाएंगे, जबान पे वो जगह ढूंढ लेंगे? तो जवाब है सीधा नहीं। आपकी लेवल जब एलिमेंट्री लेवल है, मतलब शुरुआती लेवल है, तो आप सारी चीजें, मैं कितना भी बता दूं, मेरे बोल देने से आपका स्किल नहीं इंप्रूव हो जाता। तो आपकी स्किल को इंप्रूव होने का वेट करना पड़ेगा मुझे अगला डोज देने से पहले। 2 डोजेस के बीच टाइम होता है दोस्तों। क्यों होता है? क्यों होता है? पहला डोज जाके कुछ सर्टेन चीजें असर करता है, कुछ सर्टेन लेवल पे लेके आता है, फिर दूसरे डोज का वैल्यू है। क्यों नहीं बैक टू बैक दे दे 2 डोजेस किसी भी चीज की, जिसमें 3 महीने का 2 महीने का गैप देना है? क्यों करते हैं ऐसा? तो अंडरस्टैंड दिस वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट। मैं आपको फिर से बता रहा हूं, वो क्लासेस जिसमें इस तरह से सारे नोट्स बनवा दिए जाते हैं, वो क्लासेस स्किल डेवलप करने के लिए कहीं से नहीं होते। और अगर कोई सोचता है उसमें स्किल डेवलप करेंगे, तो दैट पर्सन इज रॉन्ग। वहां नॉलेज दिया जा सकता है। नॉलेज एंड स्किल आर 2 डिफरेंट थिंग्स। टेल मी, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू विल से that the men in my house know nothing about cooking? They can't cook. उनको अकेले छोड़ दोगे, they can't cook. Anybody raise your hand कि men in my family can do no cooking at all? Raise your hand if the men in your family can do no cooking. Raise your hand.
Yes.
Nobody. Okay, Adeeb, Sanyogita ma'am, the men in your family cannot do any cooking. चलो ठीक है। अब आप एक काम करो, आपने कहा उनको खाना नहीं बना सकेंगे, आप छोड़ दोगे तो आप उनसे पूछो पराठा कैसे बनता है, नहीं बताएंगे आपको? बता देंगे कैसे बनता है, बहुत हद तक बता देंगे कि आटा
No,
गूंथ,
sir.
बता ही देंगे।
हाँ बता देंगे, आटा गूंथते हैं, लेकिन उनको कहो बनाओ तो बोलेंगे नहीं बनेगा नहीं।
भाई बनेगा
You
नहीं।
understand the difference between knowledge and skill?
Yes sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Please appreciate it. Appreciate this. This is a very important thing. So you want to study for knowledge or you want to study to improve your skill? That's an important decision you need to make.
Improve the
In this course, we help you guys not have knowledge only to improve your skill as well. But if I teach a class just to give you knowledge, then I will go all the way. एक chapter पकड़ूंगा, ऐसे ऐसे जानकारी दूंगा. अब सुनो, this or that के बारे में जानकारी सुनो. अगर मैं knowledge के लिए पढ़ा रहा होता तो अभी बताता. ऐसी बात. एक sentence पूरे sentence के बदले this बोला जा सकता है. उन्हें क्या बोल रहे हो सर? एक पूरे sentence के बदले this बोला जा सकता है. ठीक है? तो मैं examples में लिखवा दूंगा उनको अच्छे से. लिखो. My wife talked to the neighbor with a smile on her face. My wife
Talk to them.
talked to the neighbor or talks to the neighbor with a smile on her face. Talks, बातें करती है वो मुस्कुरा के. Okay. This makes me angry. बोलो this मतलब क्या हुआ यहाँ पे?
बातें करना गुस्से में.
पूरी बात मैंने पूरा जो sentence बोला वो. The fact that my wife talks to my neighbors with a smile on her face makes me angry. तो this पूरे sentence को replace कर दिया. ये knowledge करने के लिए मैं ऐसे बता सकता हूँ. लेकिन मैं आपको अभी नहीं बोलूंगा क्योंकि अभी बोलने से आपको एक false sense of confidence आएगा. अच्छा बताओ, वो जो क्लासेस होते हैं जहाँ टीचर एक के बाद एक बातें बताते चले जाते हैं, बच्चे खुश रहते हैं कि नहीं उन क्लासेस में कि हाँ आज तो बहुत कुछ जान गए, आज तो बहुत कुछ जान गए. तो यस, आपको एक फॉल्स सेंस ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस आता है कि आप कुछ सीखे हैं. फिर से बताता हूँ, नॉलेज आई है आपके पास, स्किल नहीं. और उस नॉलेज को मेंटेन करने के लिए बहुत कुछ करना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो फिर 2-4 महीने में वो सब निकल जाना है दिमाग से. जबकि स्किल डेवलप करोगे जो हम तरीके बता रहे उससे, तो आप पे प्रेशर नहीं रहता कोई चीज को याद रखने का. वो आपके पार्ट, इट बिकम्स पार्ट ऑफ योर पर्सनैलिटी बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रैक्टिस. आपको पता है प्री इंटरमीडिएट लेवल जो मेरा 7 बजे वाला क्लास है, उसमें भी दिस दैट की बात होती है. ओके आप बोलेंगे उसमें भी, हाँ यही. फिर आगे एक लेवल ले जा करके इंटरमीडिएट लेवल में भी दिस दैट की बात होती है दोस्तों. फिर आगे ले जा करके और सुनो दिस और दैट के बारे में जानकारी. इफ यू वांट नॉलेज, ओके, नॉट स्किल. सुनो, पास्ट टेंस की बातों के बारे में अक्सर दैट यूज करते हैं. समथिंग हैपेंड इन द पास्ट, वी रेफर टू देम एज दैट. वजह है डिस्टेंस, पास्ट डिस्टेंस है. प्रेजेंट क्या होता है? अभी करीब है, तो द प्रेजेंट मैटर्स वी यूज दिस. ओके, और ऐसे बहुत सी चीजें आपको बताऊं. हैप्पीनेस, खुशी, पसंद वाली चीजों में दिस यूज करते हैं. डिसलाइक, डिस्कम्फर्ट, नेगेटिव थॉट्स वाली चीजों में दैट यूज करते हैं. अब ये एडवांस लेवल का इंफॉर्मेशन है. ठीक है, तो दिस और दैट अभी मैंने स्किल एलिमेंट्री लेवल पे आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करा टॉपिक, आपने समझ बनाई. आप यू आर नॉट स्टडिंग फॉर नॉलेज हियर, यू स्टडिंग फॉर स्किल्स. तो आपका काम क्या बनता है घर जाने के बाद, आज क्लास के बाद जो बताया है उसकी प्रैक्टिस करो, क्योंकि यू आर हियर टू इंप्रूव योर स्किल्स, नॉट टू इंप्रूव योर नॉलेज. स्किल्स, प्रैक्टिस, that will help you improve your skills. अब प्रैक्टिस क्या करोगे? So you have conversations in front of you, 8 conversations. Now you guys just do similar things, you know, you write similar sentences. Let me go to page number 32. Oh, sorry.
Only 32.
Yeah. Okay. So you write similar sentences. आपके हिसाब से आपके लाइफ में ऐसी बातें हुई होंगी. आप दुकान जाएं और किसी दुकान में जाके पूछिए ये जूता कितने का दिया भैया? तो 400 रुपए जोड़ा है, कोई भी ले लो. 400 रुपए जोड़ा है, कोई भी ले लो. ऐसे बात होती है? 400 रुपए जोड़ा है, कोई भी ले लो. कैसे बोलेंगे? How much are these shoes?
How much are these shoes? How much are these shoes?
हाँ, जवाब दिए. 400 रुपए जोड़ा है, कोई भी ले लो.
400 pair.
400.
They are 400 pairs.
400.
They are 400 rupees
400
each
cost,
pair.
we can say.
They are 400 rupees
They are
pair.
400.
They
ये
are
each word है,
400
each
rupees
word
for
है,
a
each
pair.
देख रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
100 rupees each pair.
400 each.
Right.
There are 400 rupees for each.
हाँ, okay. तो ऐसे ही प्रैक्टिस करना है. अभी अगेन ये 8 कॉन्वर्सेशन की भी प्रैक्टिस करनी है, बट वी विल नॉट ओपन द ब्रेकआउट रूम्स. पता है ना आपको? आपका काम है खुद के पार्टनर के साथ प्रैक्टिस करना. करेंगे?
Yes.
You guys, आप कैसे डिसाइड करोगे? अपने पार्टनर चुन लेना और प्रैक्टिस करोगे आप आफ्टर द क्लास। कल वाली प्रैक्टिस हुई थी? डिड यू प्रैक्टिस यस्टरडेज कन्वर्सेशन?
No, sir.
Yes.
नो सर वाला जवाब नहीं चाहिए मुझे, आपको हर हाल में करना है प्रैक्टिस। ओके, यू हैव टू फाइंड अ पार्टनर। अमित बाबू, आई नो आप लोगों के लिए मुश्किल हो जाएगा क्योंकि आप शाई टाइप के इंसान हो, बात नहीं करते ज्यादा लोगों से, तो आपको लगेगा हम कैसे बोले कि कौन मेरे साथ प्रैक्टिस करेगा, बट यू हैव टू डू इट। इससे एक बात और हो रही है आपको कि आपको आउट ऑफ कंफर्ट जोन जाना पड़ रहा है। यू गाइस हैव टू टॉक टू अदर पीपल टू डिसाइड, भाई आप विल यू टॉक टू मी प्लीज, okay, like this. So you have to. Aisha, you have not been able to fix your camera problem because I cannot see you. Aisha,
Yes, sir.
I cannot see you. Asked you to do a few things, maybe, uninstall the app, then install it again and stuff like that.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So please, because it's very important that your camera is on, beta, okay? Kesha, beta, what
Okay.
happened? Your camera is off too? Okay, now we are moving on, everybody. And here we have 6 sentences and we have 3 words, some, any और a. आपको याद है some, any के बारे में क्या पढ़ा है मैंने आपको कल?
Yeah.
Sir.
Okay,
Yes.
if you remember,
Yes,
then
sir.
please complete these sentences, everybody. Please complete these sentences.
Have a dictionary of subject. No.
On
have
which
a
page, sir,
dictionary.
this is?
Excuse me, everybody, do it silently and I will check it in 2 minutes, okay? You have 2 minutes to complete these sentences. Yes, Sangeeta ma'am.
Sir, in which page this?
33.
What page number is it, guys?
33.
33.
33, and I'm putting it in the group as well, don't worry, okay?
Yes.
I find.
It's done, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. Ryan, remember what you studied because I think you guys will make 1 or 2 mistakes at least. I hope you remember
Yes,
what you
sir.
studied yesterday.
Yes, sir.
More than 10, 12 students are absent. Where are they all? Adib, the people in your family, where are they all, Adib? Maz, Uzma.
Uzma Api has gone to Patna.
Uh-huh. With her mom.
Yes.
Her mom is again sick.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Sir, I'm done, sir.
Good. Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Noor has got jaundice. He called me yesterday. Noor is sick.
Yes, sir. She is.
Okay, let's check. Number one, I have a dictionary and some books on my table.
My table.
Okay, why did we say a dictionary? Because dictionary is singular, countable. A dictionary. It is not only singular, it is singular and countable, right? Plural is dictionaries. And books, some books, plural. Some books, plural. Okay. I have a dictionary and some books on my table. ये ग्रामर हो गया, बाकी बोलने के लिए तो है ही, मेरे टेबल पे एक डिक्शनरी है और कुछ किताबें हैं. ये तो हिंदी अलग बात है, ग्रामर अलग बात है, दोनों को अलग अलग समझ के चलना है. ये नहीं कि एक करे तो दूसरा ना, दोनों ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओके, I have a dictionary and some books on my table. Number two.
There aren't any
There
There aren't any Chinese in our class.
In our
हिंदी
class.
इज इजी. हम लोग के क्लास में कोई भी चाइनीज स्टूडेंट नहीं है. इंग्लिश में ग्रामर का क्या ध्यान रखना है कि एनी नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में.
Yes.
एंड सेकंड पॉइंट, आफ्टर एनी
And any use in plural form.
Plural noun.
with a plural form. Chinese students.
Yes, sir.
Chinese students. Now number three. Do we have
We have
We have
any
any
homework?
Homework tonight.
do we have
Any homework?
Any homework tonight?
Some homework.
Any
some
homework?
is used in positive sentences? Do you remember that?
Yes.
Yes.
Some is used in positive sentences. Is it a positive sentence or it's a question?
It's question, sir.
Question.
So some is ruled out. Some is not an option, right? Some is used
We
in.
have any
Have. Do we
अब क्या
have
बचा?
We have
Any or
any
a?
homework.
any तो नहीं होगा.
Any.
क्यों नहीं हो सकता? क्यों नहीं हो सकता?
Any होगा sir, any.
रीजन दें,
Any
क्यों नहीं
होगा,
होगा?
sir. Any
Any is in the plural form, na sir.
लवली
Yes.
संयोगिता मैम, थैंक यू वेरी मच. बहुत अच्छे. आई लव दिस. मुझे गलत करने वाले स्टूडेंट से कोई परेशानी नहीं होती है. लॉजिकली गलत करो. संयोगिता मैम ने कितना अच्छे से कहा कि आप ही ने तो बताया एनी के बाद क्या यूज करना है, प्लूरल. यहाँ तो होमवर्क है, प्लूरल तो है नहीं. संयोगिता मैम, अगर हम कहना चाहें कि दूध है तो कैसे पूछेंगे?
Is there some
Do you
No, some इसमें little होगा.
Is there
दूध है, दूध है.
is there
Do you have milk? Do
do
we
you
have milk?
Uh,
Do you have milk?
do you
Do you have milk?
guys, we have multiple options. We have multiple options. Okay.
do you have
Listen, we have multiple options. Everybody listen carefully. We have multiple options, but remember, we can say any milk because milk doesn't have a plural form.
Yes, sir.
So,
Uncountable.
Sayogita,
It's uncountable.
uncountable?
it's uncountable. It's uncountable. So we can say, do we have any milk? Is there any milk? All right, we can use it. We cannot use some because it's a question, and we learned that some is used with positive sentences, Sayogita ma'am. Any is used with questions and negatives, with plural when it is a countable noun. But if it is an uncountable noun, pani hai. Is there any water in the bottle? Is there any water in the bottle? Are you with me, Sayugita ma'am? Do you understand what I'm saying?
In negative and uncountable noun we use any.
We can use no. The point is we use any in negative sentences and question sentences. That's the point.
Question sentence.
अभी यहाँ देखना है कि do we have some homework? Not possible. Homework is uncountable. तो a homework कैसे बोले? Homework is uncountable. Okay. Homework is
Uncountable noun.
uncountable में a बोलते हैं क्या? A milk, a water.
No, sir.
No, we never do that. Okay. So, do we have any homework tonight?
Okay.
Do we have any homework
Homework
tonight?
tonight.
तो संयोगिता मैम की गलती नहीं थी. बताओ क्यों?
आपने जो बताया वही दिमाग.
क्योंकि मैंने जो कहा वो आपने फॉलो किया, इसलिए गलती नहीं थी। अब मैंने ऐड कर दिया उसमें कि भाई आप यूज कर सकते हो अगर वो अनकाउंटेबल नाउन है तो।
Negative and
Do we have
questions
any homework tonight?
plus uncountable.
Yeah. Number 4.
I need some
I
help
need some
with
help.
I
this
need some
exercise.
help.
I
with
need
this
some help
exercise.
with this
With
exercise.
this
This
exercise.
exercise.
Why some help? Because help is uncountable. तो A तो हो ही नहीं सकता. Help is uncountable. आप help को नहीं गिनते. एक help, दो help, तीन helps नहीं बोलते. Okay? So I need some help with this exercise. Why not any? Why not any? Why not any? Why not any? Tell
Because
me.
it is positive
It is
sentence.
not in negative sentence and question
Because it is
sentence.
not
It's not a
negative
negative
and
sentence. It's not a question
an
sentence.
interrogation
Question
sentence.
and
I
plural.
need some help with this exercise. Number 5, beta. Is there?
Is there a
In test
test
this week.
Is
This
there
week,
any
Is there a test
yes,
this
is
week?
there any test
is there a
this
test
no,
week?
is
Is
there
there
in
A
this
any
week?
question
test
है
this
sir,
week?
question
this?
sentence है या तो any
Sanyukta
हो
ma'am. Sanyukta ma'am.
Hmm.
Test is countable or uncountable?
maybe no maybe
Countable, sir.
countable or
Countable.
Test is
आज एक टेस्ट है, कल फिर एक और टेस्ट है, फिर परसों टेस्ट है, 3 टेस्ट है ना, इस
Is
सप्ताह
there a
3
test
टेस्ट है।
this week?
Is there a test this week?
is
So,
there a
Test
test
this
in this week?
Everybody, is there a test this
Test
week?
in this week.
समझ गए दोस्तों? एनी क्यों नहीं होगा? क्योंकि ये काउंटेबल है ना, तो प्लूरल
Yes.
होना चाहिए। अगर एनी बोलेंगे तो बोलेंगे आर देयर एनी टेस्ट दिस वीक?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are there any test
Any
this
test
week?
this week?
Otherwise, is there a test this week?
No.
Number 6. There are
There are some
Some
difficult
difficult
There are
exercise
some
in this
difficult
book.
We have
But
a
we have a
good teacher.
good teacher.
in this book.
There are some
But
difficult
we have
exercises in this book, but we have a very good teacher.
we have a very good teacher. It is-
Some difficult exercises, right? Plural?
yes yes
Yeah.
But we have a very good teacher, no problems, right?
yes
Okay. So guys, I guess that is all for today. And we are going to continue tomorrow, but there will be homework, 1 page in the practice book. Okay, the next page. I will put the page in the group for you guys. And this page. Yeah, this is about some, any, a, this, that, whatever you studied. जो पढ़े हो वही practice करना है, okay? और हाँ, don't forget to practice in the group. Okay, the group cannot be quiet. खाली अपना आंसर होमवर्क करके मत भेजना. Practice, make sentences. जो पढ़े हो, जिस तरह के sentences पे focus करवाया, मेहनत करवाया, make similar sentences. Okay? All right,
Okay,
everybody?
sir.
So shall we wrap up for
Bye.
now? We will continue tomorrow, okay? Have a good time, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye, everybody.